So we're in the GE booth with David. David, tell us about the all-in-one GE profile piece.
Yeah, this model has been fantastic for us, and really what changes the game with this product is it's fast, right? We call it the ultra-fast front load, or ultra-fast combo. It's not compromising on speed, even the big, huge loads. You'll notice it's a lot bigger than a normal washing machine. That's because we have a huge heat exchanger and a huge fan. We're moving a tremendous amount of air through this to really pick up that moisture and get rid of it. In fact, we can wash and dry 12 bath towels in the time that other combos can wash 6. So it's really huge capacity and being able to get that huge load done fast.
Yeah, and I personally have this machine and I really, really like it. And what I like about it is exactly what you said, the speed.
Yep.
Right, being able to throw a comforter in here.
Big loads.
And it taking 2.5, max 3 hours.
Yep.
But it's changed our lives.
Yeah, you add smart dispense to it where you put the whole bottle in. Oh, that's it's a prototype.
Let's go back. Let's go back. Yeah, let's go back.
So we took all that out of there.
Yeah,
but,
Let's start that clean ready.
Yep.
Yeah, so Smart Dispense also is in this machine, which just makes it incredibly easy. You dump that entire bottle of detergent in, we automatically dose just the right amount of detergent each time. So you literally come in, throw your clothes in, hit your cycle, hit start, go on with your day, come back whenever you want. We are washed and dried. It's awesome.
Yeah, and it will tell you on the screen when you need to add more detergent.
Exactly right. When it gets low, we'll tell you when it's low. And it's not just detergent, you can also put your softener in bulk as well.
Yeah, and when you add this to the GE app, it makes life even more easy, right?
It does. So we're going to send you OTA upgrades. So we've already done pet hair removal mode in this, so you can actually get your pet hair out even better. We also add other features in here, like downloaded cycles. We'll change some software to take some bugs out if there's bugs, but also improve dry times. We've actually taken the dry times down 15 minutes on average, just with a software update we pushed to it.
Yeah, and one thing I've noticed on this machine, and my wife had brought it up, is that when we're pulling clothes out, there's a little bit of that dampness to the clothes, and there's the perception that it's not drying, but what really is that?
Yeah, so this is a sealed system. A normal dryer isn't. If we were to bone dry those clothes, we would be over drying them. So you've got a humid environment that's in there that makes it feel humid. When you take it out, as soon as you expose those clothes to the fresh air, they immediately go dry. It's a different way of thinking about it. What we love about it is we know it's not over dried. We know we're not over drying clothes because they're just dry enough to where they have to be, so we're not damaging your clothes.
And I like the fact that they're not coming out baked, right? So what I've noticed is that, like, around my waistbands, I'm a bigger guy. I have good dinners, and sometimes I might have a little too much, right?
Yeah.
So I don't want my waistband to get tight like I typically would find on a traditional dryer or around my pockets.
Yeah, traditional dryer is basically an oven. It's just baking your clothes dry. We're using some heat with our compressor, but it's really about pulling air out with high-speed airflow, pull that moisture out. So we don't have to get as hot as a normal dryer does.
So it's going to preserve the life of our clothes. It's not going to damage them. It's going to use a lot less electricity.
Absolutely. You can run 120 plug. It's also non-vented, so you don't need a dryer vent anymore either.
So we don't have to worry about the risk for a fire due to lint.
Yeah. My wife hates running our old dryer when she's not home. She's like, I don't do it. Because this is 120, there's no vent. She's like, it can run whenever it wants.
Great. The all-in-one GE profile washer and dryer combo. It is a must-have, I think.
It's awesome, and
Thanks.
it takes less space.
Thanks, David.
You're welcome.